welcome to Vlogmas day 6. I think it's 6. Yes. So I'm combining at least today's vlog and yesterday's vlog. And yesterday I did work at home making some wreaths for my front door. So I'm gonna insert the footage from yesterday right now, and also the evening I went to rehearse the Nutcracker, so I'm also gonna insert some footage from the musician pit if you're interested to see it. And sorry for the lighting, you guys. I'm in my bathroom because my cleaning ladies are actually cleaning the house. So yeah, so let me insert the footage from yesterday. So this is, you guys, how my project looked like. I love it. I think for the very first time, you know, doing it for the first time, I think I did a really good job. So I have like different kind of, you know, that, what do they call it, tulle, all the deco mesh and ribbons and all that stuff. I think it's pretty. So actually I put it here inside because I had one hook on my door, but this will go on the outside, on that door, but on the outside. This is the entrance door, by the way. So in here, you guys, I'm gonna have two exactly the same ones but different, not this. So yeah, so I'm making another one right now, and yeah, I'll show you how it looks like when I finish. So you guys, this table is a complete mess. This is my work in progress. Those are the ribbons that I'm using right now. So those are the 3 ribbons I love. I showed you the burlap the other day. I love to use this one, so I'm gonna cut this as well. And then I have this white kind of tulle that I'm using. So I'm gonna make exactly the same wreath that I made, that I saw you on the door, at the door. This is like the beginning stage of it. So I have this art, what is it called, deco mesh ribbon, something like that. So I'm just gonna, you know, I did lay this all around, and then I'm gonna follow with the white, and then I'm gonna put some red, and yeah, those pretty ribbons. So yeah, it's a mess, but I love it. It's gonna be really pretty. So you guys, I finished the second one. So this is the finished project. There we go. I don't have a hook on my door yet. This is the first one, and this is the second one. So this is how it looks, you guys. This is the front of the house. How pretty. So this is my front door. I love it. Yeah, so pretty. I made this bow. I still need to fluff it using this bow making machine tool, whatever you want to call it. But how beautiful is that? I am actually going to put on this. I bought this at the Hobby Lobby. It was 50% off. So I was thinking that if I put this on top, what do you think? It would look nice, and then I can still kind of decorate all around. So yeah, I'm gonna try to fluff this up a little bit and attach it.
Dashing through the snow in a one-horse open sleigh, o'er the fields we go.
So you guys, I put this wreath yesterday very quickly together. I made this beautiful bow using my bow making machine, and I put all of these little bows in here, and I put all these fairy lights. But I feel like I should just still do a little bit more in here. I had no time to really finish up, but I'm not sure. What do you think? Should I just leave it the way it is, or should I still maybe put some, like, you know, I was thinking to maybe put some ornaments, maybe some more bows. I don't know. I'm kind of trying to be creative here, but I kind of like it how it turns out. I like this burlap, is that's what it's called, and the ribbon is so pretty. So yep. So you guys, I did my makeup, and actually this is something that I have purchased I don't know if you're familiar with this. Those are those Terry kind of CC serums. And today was the first time that I used that. This is like a set. Actually, I got it from Nordstrom. So those are 3 colors. You know, sometimes it's hard to figure out which color do you need. This one is like a very kind of light pink. I think it's more for like a rosy kind of skin tones. This is the one I used today, which is like, I think it's called the like apricot. And this is the darkest one, which I am going to try probably tomorrow. I really like this. I think my skin looks like very illuminated. Like I did put the makeup on top of it, but first like for an hour I was just going around the house with this on, and I really like it, you guys. So I think it was about 60 bucks, and it came with this, you know, pretty packaging. So I'm gonna definitely try this. Let me know if you use this. Yeah, I've heard a lot of good things about those CC serums. So yeah, let me know if you guys use it. I would like to know. And which one, if you do use it, which one is your favorite? So you guys, I ordered this serum from Dior because I got this coupon 25% off, I believe, from the Sephora when you purchase something over $75. So I really wanted to try this, and this is the plump filler, and it had really good reviews, you guys. So I don't know, I haven't tried yet. I know it comes with, it comes with like different you know, different ingredients, so they have like different colors, but I have decided to go for the plump filler. So I don't know, this is my question again. Did you guys use it? Did you guys, any of them? The other one that I wanted to try was the glow booster. I think it was more like a copper kind of tone. So yeah, I'm gonna try this. Like I'm working on my Lancome Genifique right now, so or maybe I can just try and alternate. We'll see. But yeah, this is what I've got from Sephora as well, and I'm looking forward to try this. So you guys are gonna laugh. I was just cleaning a garage because we had like endless amount of boxes, and lots of them is not open. It's just because it's my husband's kind of work. They send him all the kind of equipment, tools that he needs, whatever. Yeah, that's like a long story. But anyway, I was so upset with him that he wouldn't open the boxes. They just keeps coming. Okay, so I had a little moment today. My ladies were cleaning the house, and I went to the garage and I started opening those boxes, and you guys will never believe what I just found. I'm just gonna show you what I found in one of the boxes. Do you see this? This is the espresso machine, really fancy one. And I took a picture of it because at first I thought maybe this is the Christmas gift, and maybe I just shouldn't open it. But I don't really drink coffee, so I don't know what's going on. But so I sent a photo to my husband asking him like, did you buy this? Was I not supposed to open this? And I'm talking about this was like buried underneath the boxes, you guys. So my husband was like, no, I never bought it. I never purchased this. I look at the receipt. It says his name on it. Apparently it was sent from the Williams-Sonoma, but I mean, the question is who paid for it? I'm looking at the receipt, you guys. And it was sent on May 28, 2018. This is just unbelievable. So now it's December 6th. It's been in our garage since probably early June. Unbelievable. I really need to get to the bottom of this because my husband is confused, I'm confused, and I want to know who sent us such a generous gift, unless someone has the amnesia and don't even know what to order. Eddie, do you like your food? Eddie. Eddie doggy. Hi doggy. So I am on my way to pick up kids from school. It's actually got really cold. It's 40 degrees, but it feels a lot cooler. So I think it's time to get my gloves because I'm really like my hands are freezing. But anyway, so I spoke to my husband about the mystery of the coffee machine. I really want to get to the bottom of it because this is the most hilarious thing that ever happened to us. So I did speak to him on the phone. We were like talking for 10 minutes and he was like, I really do not remember ordering. And it's like, don't get me wrong, like my husband, when he orders something like, you know, buying things, he's just gonna like tracking that package to the very end. It's not like he just forgets. I mean, you don't forget if you spend $650. Am I right? Because I look at the receipt, the coffee machine was $5.99 plus tax, so it was like $657 and something cents. I mean, that's a chunk of money, you guys. So apparently I said either you have amnesia or someone really sent us very nice gift. But on the receipt it says ordered by him. So I don't know if he just mistakenly clicked an order and he didn't even know but you have to enter your credit card information out of it. So anyway, I just find this to be completely hilarious. And this box has been sitting in the garage for 6 months. How is this possible? This is so you guys know how unorganized people we are. And I'm gonna blame my husband because he's the one putting all those boxes in the garage and never opens them. So yeah. I don't know. It's a very nice machine. I'll set it up and I'll probably show you in the next vlog because I completely have no time to do it right now. I am overwhelmed with a nutcracker, and we had rehearsal last night, and tonight at 7 p.m. I have to be there again. We started at 7 and we end up at 10, so you know I have a very late evenings these days. And yeah, so tonight is the second rehearsal, and it's only because we have 2 different casts. So the first cast was rehearsing yesterday. Tonight we have a different people dancing, and then we have 4 performances. With Friday evening performance, 2 performances on Saturday. It's mid-afternoon and then evening, and then there's 1 on Sunday afternoon, I think. I think it's an afternoon as well. So yeah, pretty busy. You know, it's Christmas season, so it's pretty busy for musicians, entertainers, and you know, all that stuff. So I'm not sure if there is anything interesting is gonna happen in my house. Probably not. I don't even have time to make dinner tonight because I have to still teach. So I'm probably just gonna pick up some maybe Wendy's or something. I don't know, whatever my kids want, and we're just gonna have a little bite. And yeah, I have to teach and then run to rehearsal. So I think I'm gonna end it here. If there's gonna be anything interesting, I'm gonna still insert the footage, and I will see if there's anything happening at the rehearsal that I could, you know, record and show you guys. Obviously I cannot record the music and all of it because this is like you know, it's like the whole, what is it called, the copyrights and symphony rights and all these things. So obviously I cannot really sneak in, I don't want to get in trouble. But yeah, that's pretty much it, you guys. Yeah, I'm sorry again if those vlogs are a little bit all over the place, but that's how really my life looks like. You know, I mean, I don't have a typical job, you know, sitting in the office all day, or you know, I have a different schedule every single day. And now the college is finished, which I finish on Monday. I have a month break, so that kind of clears 2 days for me because I go there twice a week. I only work there part-time. So yeah, I just have to finish up with the symphony. I'm gonna be officially on the break as of December 25th, which is the Christmas. I'm gonna be off for 3 weeks after that, so which means there's still no teaching at the college and no you know, symphony concert, because we just go on break after all this December craziness. So alright guys, I hope you're all well. Thank you so much for watching my vlog. I know some of my I know those doesn't look like my vlogs are very popular, but that's okay. I'm having fun doing it, and I hope you guys are having fun watching it, at least just a few of you who are. And yeah, if you haven't subscribed to my videos yet, please do. I'm still gonna do that Chanel unboxing, you guys. I don't know if the video will go after this vlog or before. I just have to find a moment to do it, so, but I promise I'll do it because I am so curious myself, and I want to start using my items. So yeah, alright guys, I'll talk to you later. Bye.